Hi. First of all, thank you so much. My whole inspiration was my own story. जब एक्चुअली मेरी लाइफ में कैसा इंसिडेंट हुआ व्हेन आई लॉस्ट माय ब्रदर और फादर कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम शिडी. मैंने बोला यार तीर्थ स्थान पे जाके क्यों हुआ. तो आप एक स्टेज पे होते हो जब आपको पता नहीं होता चीज़ें क्यों हुई हैं, तो आपने रिसर्च करनी शुरू कर दी. तो रिसर्च करते करते आपको पता चलता है कि ऐसा एक साइंस है जिससे आप कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो, पता कर सकते हो, दूसरों की मदद कर सकते हो. जब आप कई लोगों को देखते हो जो आपके सिचुएशन में है, हेल्पलेस है, आप उनकी मदद करना चाहते हो, दैट इज़ वेयर द जर्नी बिगैन फ्रॉम. Honestly, it is very important for us as healers, readers to be authentic. क्योंकि आप किसी की लाइफ के साथ उनको मदद करने के लिए यहाँ पे हो, उनकी जर्नी शेयर करने के लिए यहाँ पे हो. अगर वो अपना बैगेज नहीं उठा सकते तो आप उनका बैगेज उठा के चलने के लिए हो. आई वुड नॉट कमेंट ऑन लोग क्या कर रहे क्या नहीं कर रहे, बट या दैट्स योर होल वर्क. अगर आप अपना काम जेन्युइनली नहीं कर रहे हो तो व्हाट इज़ इट दैट यू आर डूइंग. आई वुड से इफ़ यू आर जेन्युइन टू योर वर्क, if you're with your clients, for me fame is जब मेरा client phone उठा के बोलता है और when I get a random WhatsApp message saying you changed my life, it's so amazing that you're in my life. That is the best fame that anybody can have. I don't think it is fake, because I'm putting in my 100% where hard work is concerned, and if I require that extra boost, why not? Wherein you asked me who's the most obsessed or wants to read, I think everybody in their own way, whether it be a cricketer or a Bollywood, I think for stars and all it is seen. Even a common man, अगर आपको बोला जाए कि somebody will tell you कि क्या होने वाला है, उससे आपको ऐसे चलना है या ऐसे चलना है, you would definitely want to know. So I think just some people are seen more, some people are not. That's the difference. I definitely, these are the people who basically love their hard work and amazing. But I would say if you want to come experience, okay, be open to experiencing things. If you still feel that these things don't work, that's completely your choice. But then as 5 elements work, okay, our complete science works on 5 elements including your own body. So if you don't believe in this basic 5 elements and how they can create magic, how does your body function? Basically my work is to guide you as ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये इश्यूज है या नहीं है, आपकी लाइफ बहुत सुपर चल रही है. आई हैव हैड क्लाइंट्स हु हैव कम एंड टोल्ड मी प्लीज़ मेरी हीलिंग कर दो, एंड आई एम लाइक you're in the peak of your health. So जैसे मैंने कहा, अगर किसी का बैगेज है, मेरा वर्क है कि अगर आप नहीं उठा पा रहे हो तो मैं उतनी देर के लिए आपका बैगेज उठा के चलूँ, बट एट द सेम टाइम मेक यू केपेबल कि आप अपना बैगेज उठा सको. Not dependent on me. That's not what my work is. I think I will take a card. Let's pick a card for Mr. Dhoni's career. Being one of my most favorite players in the team. So let's see what the cards have to say about him. Alright. So I have the card 1, 2. I have 2 amazing cards for Mr. Dhoni. One which says the Queen of Water and the Ten of Fire. Okay, now what do these cards mean? Queen of Water means he's somebody who's able to emotionally connect to his team, connect to public and to his game. Okay, because if you're not emotionally inclined to what you're doing, it's fake. So if you're not genuinely inclined towards your work, then you will not put in that hard work. Okay, now we have a category of people who want to do but aren't able to. Okay, so then comes Ten of Fire, which gives you the oof factor, the zoom, the everything. So I think definitely this is not the end. He is going to play and he's got the perfect balance to play for. So we'll say whether King Khan, we've grown up seeing King Khan and all the romantic movies that he has done. So let's see what the cards have to say for King Khan's career. Alright. So I have these amazing 2 cards. One, the Queen of Air and the Sun. Okay. The Sun, all of us know, अगर सूरज उगेगा ही नहीं तो धरती पे रोशनी कैसे आएगी, and there will be no farming, there will be no food, there will be no life. So Sun, definitely I see Shah Rukh working much more, maybe in different and unique projects that he chooses because the kind of career he has had, the amazing career, the amazing choices that he has made. Secondly, I have the Queen of Air, which makes him more independent, more communicative as to what he wants to do. So, yeah, definitely, this is not the end. It could just be the bend wherein he's choosing to do something different. So, again, when we talk about our Third World War, we will again take a guidance from our cards saying that let's see how is it really on the cards wherein Third World War would happen, or is it possible that we avoid and it is salvageable. Right. So I have two cards here, wherein which says the Nine of Earth and the Five of Water. Okay, so what does it mean? Nine of Earth means balancing a couple of people's opinion, a couple of people's want, a couple of people's emotions, which egos or emotions I would say could create the war. But if there are people who are willing to stabilize it, balance it out, and plan the way things should happen, I think it's very much possible that the war could be avoided.